In this video, we will see how to delete a server on Discord. Here I am on my Discord account dashboard. If you don't have one, go to the Discord website and create one. Let's get started. If you want to delete a server on Discord, go over there and click. You can see a drop-down. Here go to Server Settings. Here is my server overview, like display name image and other settings. If you scroll down this left bar, you can see the Delete Server option is here. Click over this option. In this pop-up notification, they ask, are you sure you want to delete your server? This action cannot be undone once you delete it. Here enter your server name. Click on Delete Server. Your server will be deleted. Let's go back. There is another way to delete the server. First, select your server and right-click. Go to Server Settings and then the Members option. You can see that here is the Delete Server option. You can delete the server in the same way as I did previously. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.